No one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
It's your boy 430 AON Crypto. Tune in, man. All or nothing. Let's get this bag.
Yo, this is John, man. Yo, you think you gonna leave the streets like this?
Yo. YouTube was good. It's your boy. You already know. Today we're gonna do a little special update on AlienCRO. I want to show you guys my 4th NFT that I got with this project. It was a special giveaway, and I feel very, very lucky. It's a nice NFT. It's number 57, which is pretty cool because my birthday is on the 12th, so 5 plus 7 equals 12. I'm bullish. Yeah, this was a special giveaway from the development team over at AlienCRO, man. I love those guys over there, man. I never get enough of hanging out in their chats. You know what I'm saying? Here's the rarities on number 57. I think that boy is super, super rare. He got the tiger skin. You know what I'm saying? So I wanted to make sure that I had it in my wallet. It was showing up. It was appearing. You know what I'm saying? When I get that little white glitch, I like to refresh the metadata and all that good stuff. Make sure everything is working properly. You know what I mean? I like to make sure everything is under control. When you were 430 AON Crypto, I like to make sure everything is, you know what I'm saying, nice. That right there was my 3rd one. I was trying to confirm that it was there. So I was, you know, I'm gonna give it a good little look. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stake it. This one was an airdrop, so I didn't have to mint it, but I'm gonna add it in. I'm gonna add it into the batch of the 3 NFTs I already have staking over at DEXs. I'm winning CRX token for staking my NFTs here with these guys. They have a new farm pool that you could stake your NFTs. I think it's CyberSwap on Chronos blockchain as well. I'm gonna post that link below for you guys, so you guys could take advantage of that, and you guys could get your coins up, your tokens. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm staying with DEXs. I like DEXs as a platform. I'm familiar with them. It's been a smooth ride with them. So that's what the stats is looking like now. Later on in this video, I'm going to give you guys a more future update of these numbers, and you guys are going to see what everything has been doing since after I recorded this video. This was previously recorded. So at that moment, the rewards I was receiving weekly was, I'm going to add it up for you guys right now on the swap. So you see how much I was getting from my staking weekly when I created this video. About $11.56 for 2.562 CRX tokens. That's my guy. I'm bullish. And you know I got to get up out of here. And we're going to continue with this video. Yo! Back. Alright. So it's the link part to the beginning part. You get it. You know what's going on. You here. 430 AON Crypto. Let's keep it pushing. Alright. So on the AlienCRO link or bio. You know what I'm saying? This is where you could get all the social medias, all the information, all the websites that you may need. You just come on here, you just click the buttons, and it'll guide you straight there, all right? So we're going to go back to the mint page. I just want to show you guys a little something. You know what I mean? It's 400 now to mint an AlienCRO NFT. Every 100 mints, it goes up 100 CRO. Just so you guys know that. Right now, there's 346. So that leaves about 714 NFTs available to be minted. You can only have 10 max on one wallet. I'm just going to briefly go over this with you guys so you guys have a reintroduction again. I've made several videos about this, but this is still an early project. It's still early in its stage. The evolution behind it is working. The development team, they're good people. They always got good news. They always got new news. That's more than on top of everything. You know what I'm saying? They always got something new in the works, partnerships, different staking and different platforms. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, this is a small organic project that I'm bullish on, guys. I'm going to ride it till the wheels fall off. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not a financial advisor. D.Y.O.R. Do your own research, scrap, because you already know how this game go. One day you got it, one day it's gone. You know what I'm saying? So, without any further ado, let me read this for you guys. The AlienCRO NFT drop introduces you to the mysterious and uncovered outer ends of our universe. Get your hands on one of the 1,060 unique aliens and be a part of the intergalactic crypto exploration. A total of 7 traits were created by our very own designer, and each alien has a 100% unique combination of those traits. Merging background, accessories, helmet, weapon, eyes, skin, and outfit styles of your NFT to make it as individual as yourself. So fasten your seatbelt, turn on the turbines, and get ready for a wild ride. Yeah, that sound about right. And I've been riding that ride, you heard me? So, yeah, man. AlienCRO. 400 CRO right now. When it gets to 400, I think it'll be 500 CRO. And when it gets to 600, you know, and so on. So when this gets to 400 minted, I think it'll go to 500 CRO. If it's not every 100, it's every 200. But you guys could do your own research and go in the Telegram group and Discord and ask these questions if you don't think 430 AON Castro is giving you the right information. All right? So let me show you guys after I staked my 4th NFT. I went to DEXs and I had staked it. So last time it was about $3.82. My total accumulated CRX tokens dollar value worth. We're going to go ahead and check that out again and see what it's looking like. The pool rewards had ended briefly and then it got refilled. Shout out to Dana. Shout out to RoboThug. Shout out to everybody working behind the scenes on this project. You guys know who you are. You guys need to understand, man. I got into this DeFi thing thinking that the money just comes out the air. These unique projects, the developers put up their own money. You know what I'm saying? So everything you're seeing, all the rewards, it comes out of the developers' pockets. So when you take all things into consideration and you have a great experience with a platform and these guys deliver and they don't even have the funds that the big guys got, that's something you have to heavily consider. You know what I mean, guys? Because things like that you don't come across too often in the DeFi space. The DeFi space or the crypto in general, as if you do a lot of research on YouTube, it's known as the Wild Wild West. You know what I'm saying? There's no rules. Everybody's losing money. You know what I mean? So it's pretty crazy, man. You know how it gets. Trying to see what's up with this. Hold on, guys. Sometimes the screen start acting weird. You know what I'm saying, guys? This is crypto, man. You see glitches. You see all type of things. I'm glad I be doing these videos and I don't rehearse them and I just shoot them live. So you guys can see what really be going on, man. There be some crowd. It just be too much. So you know what I'm saying? I'm just, we're going to ahead and reload again. Let's see what's going on. Sometimes it's best to just exit out the screen. You know what I'm saying? Retest it. This is crypto, guys. This was what happens. Oh, man. What's going on here, guys? When things like that happen, I don't stop. I erase everything. And that usually tends to fix all the problems. I'm a mobile user. I'm on iPhone, iOS. So sometimes clearing everything is the best thing you can do. I'll get out. I'll go back in. Yeah, guys, this is called troubleshooting, man. Don't be scared, man. Sometimes things don't go in your favor, scrap. You got to adapt to it and you got to work around it. You got to learn how to maneuver. So when things like that happen, man, you got to have a certain protocol and a certain approach that you take to, you know, resolve these measures when they're not going in your favor. You know what I mean? We'll try again. We'll keep trying. Close out all the screens. And I just jump right back to them, guys. I already have it memorized. Y'all just fall back. Y'all see what happens when you on the phones and you doing all this crypto money. These are the things you got to deal with, guys. I'm glad that you guys are seeing this. If you're sticking around through this part of the video, you must really want to learn. And trust me, you're learning. This is the stuff you guys need to see. The content that nobody else talks about. Everybody talks about jumping in projects and doing this and that, but they don't tell you the reality of these things. Things glitch. Things sometimes go wrong, but there's really nothing going on behind it that's really faulting it or making your money go bad or transactions decline. You just have to be on top of it. Okay, so we're gonna head back. You see, this was disappeared before. So I had $3.82 before. Now I have $11.08. I had it calculated before on my calculator. I did the little math for you guys. It was at $10.94 when I did the calculation earlier. So right now it should be about, you know, a good $7.30 over. And that was about 6 days apart. When I did the first part of this video, it was about 6 days ago. So it went up a good $7 and some change. And remember, the price of CRX did appreciate to $5.40, I believe. Like, that is a very bullish token, CRX. You guys do your research on that. I'm going to do some videos on that platform in the near future. You guys stay tuned. 4:30 AON Crypto going to deliver that for you. So, you know what I'm saying? This is the update, how I'm doing. It's been paying. I had a little, the pool ended, the rewards ended, the APR dropped, but the pools continued. This is a fact that I learned from one of the devs over there. He said when there's less total deposits of NFTs, it's more rewards for every individual holder. So that's a good stat for you guys to know. And also, before I got out of this, I wanted to show you guys the other platform where you can stake your AlienCRO NFTs, all right? It's called Cyborg Swap. It's on the Chronos blockchain. It's another big DEX on the Chronos, but I haven't used it personally. I've navigated around it. I like the UI. You know what I'm saying? I'm familiar with Chronos, and there's not a lot of hi-fi DEXs over here. You know what I'm saying? Like, they don't have the best visual and, you know, user interface friendly dApps, but they have high quality dApps nonetheless. And they have great communities and great development teams behind these projects. So you guys need to go over to Chronos, scan, and, you know, and go through all the projects these guys have on the blockchain, because there's a lot of activity going on over here. So basically, the market cap of Cyborg Swap is $244,854. This is very similar to CRODEX. You see, when you go to stake your NFTs, it's down here. You go to stake where it says NFT. On the other DEX, it's very similar, but this one just says NFT. This has like a pancake swap feel to it. And this one right here has like an older, or I don't know where, this one, it rings a bell, but I don't know exactly. But this user interface down here, these buttons, reminds me of pancake swap. You know what I'm saying? So you go to NFT right here, and you go to NFT staking. So they'll show you the available collections that you can deposit your NFTs into and collect some interest in the form of their CBO token, which I guess is the Cyber Swap token. Stake your NFTs to earn CNFT tokens. Founding member NFT collection is the core pool. Core pool. My bad, guys. So you swipe down and you go and find AlienCRO right here. So I don't have any to deposit in here because I'm going to stay with CRODEX, but this is what's available. So basically the total value here of NFTs is $2,205. So you see every collection has a total value and the amount of NFTs that are currently deposited into the pool. So the Meta Cyborgs, you see 51,000, the Cyborg Guardians 14,000. This is, you know, this is good information, guys. This is how you D.Y.O.R. You do your own research. So if you didn't know a thing about Chronos and you jumped in here, if I was a newbie, I would say, okay, which one is the highest total value? Crow Dojis? Those is nice. So we're scrolling all the way down the line, guys. This is extended cut right here. There ain't nothing else that could beat the top one. The top one is founding member F1. Never heard of these. I'm going to check these out on my own time. I ain't going to give y'all too much more game. You already know I chopped it up way too long. Had a little error issue. Your boy didn't quit. Your boy stayed at it. 430 AON Crypto. Customer service. You know what I'm saying? And I'm here to get the knowledge straight to you guys. So if you're watching these contents, just know that you could do it. You could do it from your phone. You could do it from your computer. Anything is possible, guys. You just have to do your due diligence. You know what I mean? Due diligence. And you have to get your facts right. You have to get your numbers right. You have to get your mind right. You know what I'm saying? Give your body and your mind rest. Have healthy studying periods. And, you know, and come up with good ideas, man. Listen, I'm going to have all my links. Like always, I ain't hard to find. If you guys want to talk about some new ideas and you're watching my videos by random and you've never been to any of my groups, stop by. I have a Discord. It's growing. I have a Telegram it's doing this thing. There's a lot of good people in there. A lot of different walks of life, different crafts, and just a whole bunch of different talent, man. It's super talent jam-packed. Stop by my Telegram. Hit me up on the Twitter. You know what I'm saying? If you want to get a hold of me, man, just hit me up. Comments. Do what you want. I ain't going to tell you to hit no buttons. I ain't going to tell you to do nothing, man. If you find my content valuable, holla at your boy, man. 430 AON Crypto.